Five signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You have your reading for the month of October, and hope you have watched my last 3 videos. This is a complete 6 month package. So I'm having this October month reading right now, and you can watch last 3 videos of mine so that you have clarity over the situation, what's coming, what is being carried forward from your last few months to your present scenario, and what's gonna carry forward in your future. You will get complete insight in this reading, since others have 3 cards only for reading, but I have additional 3 cards, 2 for clarification and 1 outcome. So this is gonna detailed reading. Others have only love, career and finance reading. That's a different reading. And past, present reading, past, present, future reading, only 3 cards. But this is, and this has additional 3 cards. That means this is a detailed card. Okay, so I'm gonna deal with that. So this is for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius for the month of October. In the past, you have got hurt from some situation. Since this is a love reading, you got hurt in your, you got hurted in the past. Might be in the September month you got hurted, and right now you are feeling heartbroken. You have huge pain in your heart for that, and in the future you will feel like that you should move away from this place or environment or surrounding where this pain has brought into your life. Okay, so from the past you have got hurted, and right now you are feeling betrayed, and you are just devastated by a heartbreak. Okay, and you are having conflict in this from your past situation or person. Okay, you are having from whom you got hurt, and you are right now also heartbroken. You are having conflict with that person or situation, and with that person you are in a very much you are in a victory mood. You want to win over that person and situation. Okay, and if you continue to do so, you will definitely feel hugely emotional due to this conflict with your person, and you want victory over the situation. You are heartbroken, and you are just dealing with your hurt and heartbreak, and you are fighting to get victory with your situation, with that heartbreak and hurt. You're fighting with you. That might be an internal conflict, or with our external conflict with your person also. That might be the case. So in that situation, you are fighting, and you want victory over your emotions and your person. That's gonna make you feel like you might win over the heartbreak and pain, because this is a victory card also. So you want to win, and you might win, but since this is a heartbreak, you will not feel well in that environment, with the person, with the surrounding, and you will feel like you should physically move away from that situation, but you are not going to forget that person. That will make you emotional. This is the future energy. So you might think about moving out of your away from your town or city, from your place. That will make you emotional, because you still have that pain and emotion towards that person who hurted you. And though you will move away physically, emotionally you will not be able to move away. You will still reminiscent that person, and you will become very much emotional, and you will reminiscent your past days, your happy times with that person. So October will be a month where you will deal with your pain, and emotion. You will try to overcome that pain and heartbreak, and you might feel that in future you will have to move in order to get rid of this pain, because you are not, though you are fighting, you feel you can win, but you are not able to win that situation. So you are feeling like you should leave this situation in order to win over your emotion. And you, to some extent, you will feel that at least you have got that ability to think about your situation. That's your victory. Okay, people become so stuck in the brain also that they become literally paralyzed from their thinking, paralyzed in their thinking. Okay, so you will feel in a better place, where you will be able to take some decision for your future, and you will think like you should leave that place, but you will leave that place physically, not emotionally. That will make you emotional, and you will again and again reminiscent your person, and you will think about the happy days you had with that person. Entire reading is going towards all the fire signs, towards some love relationship from the past. It's all about your ex. Whether you are married or unmarried, you are still going to get glimpse of those and dreams of those good days, and you will reminiscent your person hold that throughout the month. Even that energy is going to be carried forward, whether you leave that place or not. You are gonna reminiscent that person. You will become emotional towards that person who hurt you, who broke your heart. You want to win over the situation, but it's not helping, so you will think like move away from that situation to heal your heart. But that's not gonna heal your heart, because moving away is not going to help you, because that's physical movement, not emotional movement. So you are advised to deal with your emotion. Don't just don't fly away. Don't fly away from just contemplation. Okay, contemplate. Okay, that's your message. Contemplate. Have a healthy meditation. Have meditation. That's gonna give you peace. So for the overall energy of the October month, you are getting that you are going to remember to reminiscent some past person towards whom you have emotion, full of emotion heart. Okay, you can watch my last 2-3 readings. Okay, last 3 readings. This is the 4th reading. I am having 6-month reading till December. So you can watch my last videos also, whether you are married or unmarried. It's gonna resonate. See the synchronicity. Each cases you have X. I have shuffled the deck, and I have all the cards laid down which have no relation with each other, and since still in the 4 readings they have played such a synchronicity. Okay, hope you liked it. See our other videos, you will get more greater insight. Okay, so hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, contemplate. That's your message. Okay, thank you.